Today we are reviewing a 6-head deep tissue massage gun, a versatility electric massage tool with 6 massage style and adjustable intensity levels, built-in safety feature and a 2600 mAh battery for long use. Let's see how well it performs for muscle recovery, tension relief and everyday relaxation. 16 different attachment heads tailor your massage for every body part. It's got 9 massage style and adjustable levels, from light relaxation to deep tissue power. Perfect for sore muscle, tight shoulder and even leg tension. With a 2600 mAh battery, you can go up to 8 hours on a full charge. Great for daily recovery. And it stays ultra quiet, so you can use it at home or the gym without loud buzzing. Easy to use and great for fitness lovers, athletes or anyone needing real muscle relief. If you want, link here in description. Want more gadget reviews like this? Hit like and subscribe.